Hello, today I'm talking about my task 1. According to my personal introduction, my name is Blanca Rosa Monterrosa Angulo. I am 25 years old. I am from San Antero, Córdoba. I am a health administrator of the University of Córdoba. I am a student of English in 7th semester. This is are my contacts. It is my cell phone is 30223 series 1418. My email is for brma25 series 9 gmail.com. According to the course, to teach English for a specific purpose, I have 3 sections to obtain the necessary concept to define for purpose according to the situation. To continue with the practice of the English language and to have the responsible and friend word growth. Now, let's continue for the other task is answer some question. Okay, my answer for the first question is according to the course description, my my expectation of the course are the acquisition of the new knowledge according to the teaching model based on needs and objectives. In addition to learn about your syllabus, design of didactic material, and the use for the technology. For the second question, I think that is yes, because for the course content, I will archive as fear objective to learn about a new model of teaching English with a specific purpose. For the third, I like for 5 topic the general of S theory of learning, language description, material design, syllabus design, and I think that having with greater pleasure the content of the material design. I think that is very important at the moment of being in the classroom with the student according to the needs. For the other, for the other question, I think that the relation that this model with my English language learning experience is that both have a specific objective that go according to the needs that I have. For the last question, from my point of view, this course is utmost importance for the teaching practice. In my experience, it is in the classroom that aids of the needs and difficulties of the language are made known the through this course. I will have for the concert for the snow of the art before this is need of today able the art for the this is modern very important for the teaching mode. Okay, thank you.